Hi, welcome to my video. In this video, I will review about the material that I learned on the DLMD class last Thursday. It is about mall, but mall here is not a shopping center that we can buy anything. But mall here is stand for mobile assisted language learning. That means we can use any device like smartphones or tablets to help us in learn language. It's a big deal because we can learn English or any language more flexible and accessible because we can also access it anywhere and anytime. But MOL has some principle. The first one is learner center. It means MOL giving learners personalized and flexible access to learning. The second, contextual learning. Learners can use their own devices, location, or time to provide relevant content. The third is social learning. MOL facilitates learners to connect with peers for collaboration. Number four is just-in-time learning. It means MOL helps learners how to learn on the right way when they need it. The last is authentic learning. MOL is making tasks more meaningful and it is also relatable to learners' real life. Of course, this principle effectively helps learners to achieve their goals. On the other hand, MOL also supports major language acquisition theories like behaviorism. MOL often use drills and repetition for reinforcing correct language use through positive feedback. The second is cognitivism. MOL can provide structured input and opportunities for learners to process and internalize language rules. The third is constructivism. It means MOL can facilitate active learning and personalized language practice. MOL also allows learners to construct their own understanding. The last is socio-cultural theory. It means MOL can create opportunities for language interaction and collaboration, promoting language development through social engagement. And now, I will explain about the benefit. MOL has some benefits. The first one, MOL makes learning more flexible and accessible because it can access by learners anytime and everywhere. The second is MOL interactive because keeps learner engagement. The third is learner can use their real-life scenarios to make practice more meaningful. And the last but not least, MOL fits perfectly into learner busy schedules. Previously, I explained about the benefit. Of course, there are challenges while using MOL. The first one is device dependency. It means learners are need a phones or tablet or any devices that they have. The second is internet access. It means internet access isn't always available for some learners because sometimes the signal or network is trouble. The last is big potential distraction because if we use MOL, there's a lot of notification from the apps or the tools. For example, like if we use social media like Instagram or anything else, there's a lot of notification or there's distraction from the low battery, so it's make learner difficult to use this MOL. So here are examples of MOL tools. The first one, for language learning apps, learners can use Duolingo because it's fun and have some gamified exercise. The second is Memrise. This tool is great because it can help learners to memorize the vocabulary in language like English vocabulary or anything. And the third is Bubble. It can use real-life conversation and culture or insight. The fourth is Rosetta Stone. It's using immersive lesson for audio learners, and it also can improve learners' listening skill. For social learning apps, learners can use Tandem because learners by using this, learners can do language exchange with native speakers and can improve can improve their speaking skill. The second is HelloTalk. These apps, using these apps, learners can practice through the text, voice, or video. And the last is Speaky. It helps learners to have natural conversation via call with someone else. For the multimedia tools, learner can use to provide is YouTube. It is a familiar tool in our life. This tool can help learners to learn new language by watching the tutorial or the video, some content about learning. And the second is podcast. Learner can use it to do listening practice and culture insight because this podcast also help learners to improve listening, speaking, and critical thinking skills. The last is website like Italki and Verbling. It's because learners can use it because it is connect with the tutor for personalized lessons. In conclusion, MOL is revolutionizing language learning by making it more flexible, interactive, and accessible. Whether learners can use apps like Duolingo, chatting on HelloTalk, or watching YouTube videos, so MOL has something for everyone who learn or use it. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.